Right, in this video, I'm starting off with my deep violet and I'm just adding it here and there to create a little bit more contrast. You can also see when I add paint, I do it in a balanced way. So I always make sure that, especially with a contrasty color like the deep violet, is that you add it in on your painting so it feels balanced, not just on one side. I don't know. It's just a subconscious thing maybe. And then I'm going to add yellow. So yellow is one of those colors, it just brings so much light and a breath of fresh air into your painting. I love to mix it with white. And the only tip I'll give you here is make sure that you use a clean brush, clean water, and so that your paint doesn't become muddied. Okay, I also love to mix it in with white so that you have different shades of yellow, and that way when you have a light shade you can add a dark shade to it later. I'm going to play you another song by Joshua Nichols and then I'll come back and talk to you again.
It's too soon to be falling for you, 'cause I've heard of things like this before, but didn't know the dream still came true. Who gets to say we're not right, that it won't work, you and I? 'Cause as long as it's worth fighting for in our eyes, we should be fine. So what if we only just met? True love don't wait for any man, and no one tells us what we can or can't do. Darling, I know that I'm in love with you. We'll just forget what they say. No use trying to explain. If they only knew the way we feel, this would all go away. Let's get out of this town and start a life somewhere else. Find a place where we can finally breathe and just act like ourselves. Oh, so what if we only just met? True love don't wait for any man, and no one tells us what we can or can't do. Darling, I know, oh, I'm in love, this is real, and they don't get to tell us how to feel. They'll never understand what we have isn't just another hopeless romance when you're young. So darling, take my hand. So what if we only just met? True love don't wait for any man, and no one tells us what.
So I love mixing in a little bit of red to yellow, and then you have that beautiful orange color, and that's another little color that you can add to your flower palette. I love adding orange, but it's very hard to buy it pre-mixed, so you always have to mix it. The orange that the Liquitex Basics have is looks like neon, so I don't like that. Anyway, you can see our painting flowers is done. So next up we'll add the leaves and the greens and the blues.